Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet vanity bag designs ideas. A crochet vanity bag is a small pouch or purse typically made using the crochet technique. It is designed to hold small personal items like makeup, toiletries, or other accessories. These bags often feature intricate crochet patterns and designs, making them both functional and stylish accessories. Here are some tips for crocheting a vanity bag. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that is durable and suitable for holding items without stretching too much. Cotton yarn is a popular choice for its durability and washability. Select appropriate hook size. Use a hook size that complements your chosen yarn width. Check the yarn label for recommended hook size. Pick a pattern. There are numerous crochet patterns available for vanity bags, ranging from simple designs to more intricate ones. Choose a pattern that matches your skill level and desired style. Consider lining. If you plan to store small items in your bag, consider lining it with fabric to prevent them from slipping through the stitches. Add embellishments. Get creative with your design by adding buttons, beads, or other embellishments to enhance the look of your vanity bag. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch before starting your project to ensure that your stitches match the pattern's gauge. This will help you achieve the correct size and shape for your bag. Blocking. After completing your vanity bag, consider blocking it to even out stitches and give it a polished look. This step can make a significant difference in the appearance of your finished project. Handle or straps. Decide if you want to add a handle or straps to your bag for easy carrying. You can crochet one separately and attach it to the bag once it is finished. Crocheting a vanity bag can be a fun and rewarding project. Enjoy the process of creating something beautiful and functional with your own hands. Thank you so much for watching this video.